Hello, my fellow grocery addict, it's Jackie. I have an hour to kill and I'm by Costco, so of course I ended up here. It works out though because I have a few items I need to get. We need a few additions to the fundraiser. It's going really well, but we ran out of the chocolate pandas to be specific. I'm going to get some items here for my house for the fundraiser, and I just want to see what other fun things Costco has in store. So let's get in, see what goodies we can find. And there's one item I regret not getting last time I was at Costco. Let's see if you can guess what it is in the comments. You'll probably be right if you remember me hemming and hawing over something. Let's go. Whenever I come to Costco, I always park next to a cart corral and close to the exit over there because it gets really busy at the other exit and I just have my favorite spots to park. Anyone else like me? Plus, I don't mind the walk unless it's raining. Don't normally see clothing up front. They have these pajama sets that look super soft. Oh my goodness, I would love to wear these. They're $11.99. I wonder if they're like leftover from the Christmas time. They are so soft. It's long sleeve and long pants, so I'm guessing it is a leftover item, but holy moly do they feel amazing. And then there are lots of shorts over here and short sleeve shirts. I'm gonna have to walk on by though since I'm not buying new clothes this year. So these sold really well, but I'm buying some from Target instead of here. I'm not gonna have as many because our second day, we don't have as many kids, but I wanted to buy the choco pandas, but I can't find them. They're in a different spot at the very least. I hope they still have them because kids apparently loved those. Well, the kids on day 2 may not have access to the choco pandas because I don't think they have them here anymore, which is a bummer. Apparently they sold really well. No surprise, all the cookies sold much faster than the crackers. Yay, I found them. $9.99 for 30 of these. I think I might, I'm trying to decide, do I get 2 boxes? I think I'm gonna just stick with 1 box at $9.99, but I'm just glad I found them. Baklava is one of my favorite desserts ever, and this is almost 2 pounds of it, and it's only $9.59, and it's good until December of 2025, so I don't think I'll open this soon, but I'm not going to pass it up. I was super excited when I saw this, so you're coming home with me. Now this is something I definitely came here for. I love the Kirkland maple syrup. It's $12.49, definitely worth it, delicious. If Elsie were here, thankfully she's not, she would beg me to get these macarons. She loves trying all the new fun sweet things. $11.99, super cute. They also have these 3-pack of cinnamon rolls while we're here. I put on my meal plan an easy Costco meal so that my husband didn't have to cook and I didn't have to cook. But the problem is trying to find something that I think everyone in my family will like. Margarita pizza, maybe. The chicken pot pie would be good if it didn't have chicken in it. Obviously my vegetarian won't eat that. I think the problem is going to be accommodating the vegetarian, to be honest. A lot of these meals, I look at them and I'm like, yep, that looks good, but I have such picky eaters that maybe I won't be able to find anything here. I do feel like maybe a mac and cheese would probably be something that they'd like. $15. It's a homemade mac and cheese. I think it looks pretty good. I'm gonna have to maybe keep that one in mind. Now for me, I'd be going for the chili. That looks amazing to me. Okay, as if I needed any encouragement to get mac and cheese is $3 off per package, so we will get it. So that'll be $12.04. Yay! Just my luck through March 9th. I don't know if it's every Costco or just mine, but they'll have that. I bought the salad kit, and it's vegetarian. I may have moved too slowly. They don't have any more tiramisu cheesecake. That's what I was coming back for. I have one more spot to check, but my in-laws said that they'd share it with me, and I saw I could freeze it in slices and enjoy it for a long time. Wish me luck. I have one more spot to check, but this is where it was last time. Well, I'm in luck because it is still over here. It's $23.99, the tiramisu cheesecake. I'm going to look for the latest date because I don't want ones that say tomorrow, March 4th. I want the latest possible because, you know, I'm going to freeze it eventually. March 6th. That looks pretty darn good to me. I would look forward to busting into that, I'm not gonna lie. And sharing it, don't worry. I was debating on getting this rosemary parmesan bread, which my kids tried last week as a sample, but $7.99 just seems really expensive for a single loaf. I was hoping I was remembering the price wrong, so I think I'm gonna pass. But 2 baguettes at $4.99 is definitely much more my type of price, and these will be great with our soups this week, so I'm gonna get these. I didn't plan on getting these, but the grapefruits look really good here, and it's $5.49, very similar pricing to Aldi, and my son really loves grapefruit, so 6 of them for $5.49. I'm gonna get them. I was hoping I'd stumble upon a random sale on chicken breast, kind of like I did with the mac and cheese, but no such luck. It's not really a bad price, but not worth me buying more. I have chicken in my freezer still. We are running very low on our Parmesan cheese that I bought from Sam's Club a while ago, so I'm gonna go ahead and get probably this one, $11.99 for 32 ounces. Yummy. They have a few nice options. It's just a little more expensive, so we don't need super expensive. We just need a lot of it. Okay, so they have the Reese's eggs, 65 of them for $11.99. Tempting to count those, but I don't eat Reese's, and I don't want to commit my husband eating that many. But I am tempted and interested in trying these. They look super yummy. I love Albanese gummies, and the cottontail version is adorable. They're $7.99, and I do think I'm gonna have to give them a try. Gummies are my kryptonite, you guys know that. And my family likes them as well. I was tempted as the easy meal for my family to get the yakisoba here, but it's vegetarian, but the big mushrooms, my picky eaters would not even try it. Okay, so I'm very tempted. These are hot and crispy from your toaster, an 8-pack of grilled cheese. We make my son a grilled cheese often. I wanted to try the Aldi ones, but my Aldi has not carried them yet. But it's $10 for 8 grilled cheese. I guess I'd rather get them at an Aldi price. I'm absolutely not allowing myself to buy these, but these Portuguese custard tarts look really good. An 18 count for $12.49. But you guys have seen how many sweets I put in the cart for myself. Gummies, tiramisu, cheesecake, and baklava. And yes, it'll last me a long time, but I don't think I need to add more, right? Last year, we bought all of the middle school teachers a Crumble gift card for end of year gift, and they have 4 $25 gift cards for $79.99. I'm definitely gonna have to remember this at the end of the school year, because I think it's a fun way to gift the teachers, and then they can kind of pick what they want, and I can save $20 in the process. Now, the only thing I haven't been able to find as I've been walking the freezer aisles is bean and cheese burritos. I think that's something that maybe my girls could like in a pinch, and vegetarian. Then you can add salsas, hot sauces, but I am not finding them. Those look good, the spinach frittatas. I know I've shared this many times before, but anytime I mention hot dogs, you'll notice I don't really buy them from Aldi. It's because I buy these here and I freeze them, especially if I find them on sale. So if I do something like a grandpa special or hot dogs for dinner, I buy the Hebrew National Costco hot dogs. My favorite water while I'm fasting is Topo Chico, and they have it here, 18 bottles. It's $23.99. But all of these have lime, and I like to drink it plain. So I'm gonna leave these. I'll stick to the Aldi, but I was excited when I saw these. They don't have unflavored. I need toilet paper. I don't come here for toilet paper, but this has a $6 instant rebate. It's 30 rolls, and I am sold. So we're gonna get this. The rebate price is through March 6th. Well, I think I've officially done enough damage. I got the one thing I needed for my fundraiser, and the rest is for my house. And I need to leave a little time to get my daughter a parfait from their food court. So I better check out. Any guess on my total? Okay, a friend of mine's running a different fundraiser and asked me to grab her a box of the Pandas as well. So I'm gonna get a second one of those on my way to the register. So go ahead and add that into your total. Apparently these were a big hit. They do look fun, I get it. I lied, I am getting one more thing. These are my absolute favorite, salt and pepper, and we ate the rest of them, and I just realized that when I saw them on my way to checkout, $17.79, one of my absolute favorite snacks. Okay, so I know I made some additions. Feel free to change your guess. Here's everything I have. Here we are. Okay, so I spent $152.72, and then I spent $249. Then I spent $264 to get Mila a sundae. 20 of this is going to the PTG, so 20 of that is not necessarily my funds. Safe in the car. It is so frigid out. I am so excited the tiramisu cheesecake was still there, and the baklava and the gummies. I will be sharing all of those with you in future hauls, but if you want to see a previous Costco haul, I don't really shop here and get a ton of stuff. I like to see what's new. I love the samples, and I never know what I'm going to find. I have some staples, and you can see more of that right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Donna, ciao.